What is RedNote app? So if you right now go to top 3 apps in the charts in the US App Store, or just search for this app, it's all in Chinese, but people in US call it RedNote or Red Envelope. Yeah, this is the app. Like it's called in Chinese Xia Gongshu. Xia Hongshu. Yeah, and it's basically an alternative to TikTok, while TikTok kind of is being shut down in United States these days. So a lot of creators are just flying to other apps. This app is another Chinese app. So again, you should be careful when you create an account there, and nobody knows like the real purpose. And also, this app might get banned in US soon as well. But yeah, at the moment, it's quite a popular alternative app for TikTok. That's yeah. Here you can just read the description, where you can uncover lifestyle trends, live streams, some Chinese celebrities, popular pics, local live post templates. So this is the app, and I will just show you what is it about. You can just go to this app, and then you can just, for example, I already created my account, but I can just log out for you, and it's super easy to create an account. Just tap on Meet app, and then tap login methods. You can just tap login and then log in with your phone number. You can log in with a phone number or password or verification code, or in the bottom on iPhone, I can log in with my Apple login. So this is how I do it. I already have an account, so I can just easily log in with my Apple. So kind of that's what it is. And then also you need to add your phone number to this app to be able to properly edit your profile, to change your nickname, change your ID. Here, background, bio, gender, location, job, change profile picture. You can also create avatar. So this is where you have it. And that's where it is. And then you can just tap plus icon, and then you can just try to post some items in here, whatever you have. Like for example, you can just tap on here, and then you can post an image, you can post a video, you can add some filters. So it's kind of like combination of Instagram and TikTok in one app. Also, I would recommend you to go to settings and go to general settings and languages and change everything to English, because this app by default is in Chinese. Super annoying. And even if you change everything to kind of English, a big parts of the app are still in Chinese. I don't know how to change it, but that's what you have. So some parts of the menu, some features are still in Chinese, and it's not readable for me. But yeah, here it is. And then you have home, where you have kind of like a 2 columns discovery feed, where you have both videos and images. A lot of new users here, a lot of so-called TikTok refugees these days, people who are migrating from TikTok to this app. A lot of Europeans and Americans in here. Obviously, the biggest user base here is Chinese. So a lot of text and images are in Chinese, but a lot of new Europeans here. And then you can just see the post. You can kind of react, comment. Very similar kind of styles to TikTok. I think they have the same kind of like fonts and kind of like design kit, similar as TikTok. So again, you can just post a text note, you can post an image, video. Like if you want, you can just
So I'm gonna need some help.
go in here. So here is, for example, how it looks like in a as a video. You can again like it, you can comment it. Super similar to TikTok. You can now find quite a lot of TikTok creators on this app, who are just going in here. So yeah, you have different categories. You have all the memes. You have your follower feed. You can have people who are nearby in your location. You can just find what's about that. So yeah, there you have it. And then in the top left, there are all the different menus where you can just follow some people. This is how you find them. Then you can add your contacts. There is also like a pet friend where you can add your like digital pet here. So I don't know, like, yeah, again, in this app, everything is in Chinese. So it might be complicated for you if you don't know Chinese. Then you can create your QR code to share it. Then there's a creator center where you just can go and try to read it again. Unfortunately, a lot of this stuff is in Chinese. You can see some templates, some top performing posts, I guess. But for me, again, it's quite hard to use it. And then there is trending. And that's where it is. Still, people are getting quite a lot of likes and quite a lot of views on this app. There is a big user base. Again, it's mostly Chinese, but that's where you have it. And then you also have your messages, likes and collects, comments, and then you have your account. There's also like a shop account, which you can see as this like a marketplace. You can see your orders. I don't know how it works with shopping. Is it delivered from AliExpress, from China, or is it delivered to Europe? I don't know all of this. But yeah, here you have it. Then you have your card. Again, some parts of the menu are in Chinese. Of course, you can just screenshot it and then kind of translate in Google Translate. So at least you can do that. But yeah, at the moment, that's where you have it. Then there is like a clear cache. I don't know. I can only clear part of it. Content preferences you can see here. Then there is widget. You can also add a widget in this app. Thin mode, you can enable thin mode if you wanna, so which will limit some functionality on the app. Account security, if you go in here, you can link your mobile password. You can do like a real name verification, like official verification if you like it. Save login info. Again, these parts are still in Chinese, so it will take you some effort to actually do it. Then you can also upgrade to Pro here. As you see, that's the same situation. And then also you can actually go and delete your account. So here's your number. You need to, if you bound your number, you tap then on this red button to receive confirmation code. And after you do that, tap to delete red button in the bottom, which is now inactive, which is gray. But after you receive verification code, it will become red. So that's where it is, basically. That's the app. I mean, you can still post some videos here. You can figure it out, but it will take some time to actually learn how to use this app because it's mostly in Chinese again. So at the moment, that's what it is. So yeah, that's the app. There are a bunch of alternatives to TikTok. It's one of the top ones. A lot of creators are switching either to this app, to RedNote, to Lemon8. Lemon8, which it is like kind of like Instagram, Chinese Instagram. Then there's also Clapper app. And some people are switching to Flip app, where it's also kind of like a marketplace. Instagram. So a bunch of apps here where people trying to find an alternative to TikTok. But yeah, at the moment, that's what it is.